I found the simple trick that can eliminate bad breath for good, and it's easier than you think. Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 people suffer from bad breath? That's right. Imagine walking into a room and instantly feeling the social pressure of people avoiding you. It's a major confidence killer, and today we're going to tackle this head on. Today we're diving into a topic that's super common but often goes unspoken: bad breath. Whether it's after a meal or just a regular day, many of us deal with this issue. But don't worry, it's totally manageable. Let's get into it. So what actually causes bad breath? Well, it can stem from a variety of sources. First up, poor oral hygiene is a big culprit. If you're not brushing and flossing regularly, food particles can get stuck in your mouth, leading to that unpleasant smell. Next, let's talk about diet. Certain foods like garlic, onions, and spicy dishes can wreak havoc on your breath. And guess what? Your health can play a role too. Conditions like gum disease, dry mouth, and even some diseases can contribute to bad breath. So it's not just about having a quick brush after lunch, it's about understanding what's really going on in your mouth. Now let's get into the good stuff: how to kick bad breath to the curb. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth. To rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth, like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.